Hey, Mr. Batman. I was thinking, I'm not very good at fighting, and I was wondering if you could help me learn some cool stuff that I can use when we're fighting crime.
Huh?
Oh!
Sometimes you just have to throw a sidekick. Hey everyone, it's Coach Drill here with the Shop Fitness YouTube channel. Today we're going to be working on side kicks. Okay, so there's two different ways to throw these side kicks. The first way we're going to do it, we're going to start with our kicking leg in front. Okay, so what's going to happen here is it's a side kick. So you're going on the side of your body. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my hands up in this direction this time. It's going to be a little different. I'm not going to have them here. I'm going to have one here on my chest, one here in front of me. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to need to bring my knee up into my chest. I want that knee to get as high as you possibly can. Okay, so I bring my knee up as high as I possibly can. From here, I'm going to do a pivot. So the bottom foot is just going to turn. When I do, watch what your leg does. It rotates. Okay, my knee is up nice and high. My foot is back. I'm showing the bottom of my foot for that target. From here, I extend my leg out. Once I connect to that target, I have to fully extend. So I push it all the way out, bring it back, and set it down nice and slow. Okay? One time medium speed, hands are up, lift, pivot, extend, all the way, pull it back, and set it down. One time fast. So hand is up. Okay, and that's your side kick. Notice when I did it full speed, my toes, they pivot and I go forward. Attack with your kick. If you don't attack and you don't go forward, you won't get any power from that kick. Now, the second option, which has a lot more power, which doesn't require that slide, have my hands up here. This time I'm going to bring my knee up, like the start of our roundhouse kicks. Bring my knee up. From here, show the knee. I'm going to do that pivot one more time. I have to pivot more this time. So I pivot, get that knee up. I'm going to extend, push, and set it down nice and slow. Okay, so one time fast with this one. Hands are up, lift, big pivot, and extension. As you can see, it makes that kick a lot stronger, and it makes it a lot more effective. Now, let us know in that comment section what you think would be more effective. Also, let us know about your balance. How do you keep your balance? What do you do to help you keep that maintain of staying up? Normally, I keep my hands here, helps my body stay relaxed. I tighten my core, and I find something that's not moving to help me keep my balance. Something might be different for you, so let us know in that comment section what works for you. And then, as you do that, we're going to try our other side. So, with our left leg this time, I'm going to start with the one in back. I'm going to lift that knee up nice and high. From here, don't forget, we pivot. It's an extra pivot this time, so we have to turn a lot. Use your bottom. Pivot out, my knees in nice and tight, extend all the way, bring it back, and set it down. Okay, one time fast. Okay, and then the other side, remember that's the speed version. We have our hands here, up, hand is in our chest, hand is up, back is straight, helps me keep my balance, keeping that core tight. Knee comes up, little pivot, extend all the way, and bring it back and set it down. One time fast. And those are your side kicks. Hopefully you guys like this video. Don't forget, like in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time. Grab you here.
So I'll just be standing here.
Yep.
You'll...
So I lifted you up, and then I flip you over. You're gonna be sitting here.